Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So I wanted to give you a follow-up video. This is 2 weeks with this phone and it's been really good. So this is the Mi 8 and I think this is probably one of the best values coming from Xiaomi at the moment for what they're offering. Now, this thing has a Snapdragon 845. You can get it up to 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gig storage in some models, limited models, I believe. But you have a 128 gig model and 64 gig model, 6 gigs of RAM and some. 3400 milliamp hour battery inside, 12 megapixel setup on the rear. That's just amazing. Fingerprint reader, fast facial recognition. It's just an all around complete looking phone, man. And there's not much to dislike about it. Now I do have a tempered glass on here that I recently purchased, and also got this newer case that I bought. But this thing has been absolutely great, and I just don't have a complaint about it yet. It's giving you everything you need just about. You got the Type C, you got a decent speaker on the bottom, not the best. You got this nice glass build. You've got a beautiful screen. Now this screen protector is not the highest quality screen protector. I bought this in this case recently. So if you haven't seen the video for that, go check that out. But it's still good enough. I just wanted something to protect the phone screen on the front. But overall, man, I got a different theme on here. So if you're wondering about the themes, they have just the best theme store. You can just jump them here. And this is the difference I like about this theme store, is that it's free pretty much. So, there's not a lot of things that they're charging for in here. So I can just jump in here and download a theme. It's downloading. It's important. I can apply it and boom, it's done. And here's the theme. Just like that. That's how fast and easy it is to change this phone's look. That's just what it is. So I've been using this and I've been actually pretty happy with it, to be honest. No problems at all. Like some phones I just don't have a problem with, and this is one of those phones. I actually decided to use the Mi Mix 3 to record this video to give some love to Xiaomi straight up, and this is recording at 4K at 60 FPS, so it's doing pretty good. This has the 7000 series aluminum frame, just like other phones, I'm talking about. A super AMOLED display, so that the black screen on here, I can just download another theme. I had a few themes on here, but not very many, so I just was just showing you about the things. But I did that black theme I was using. I really like that theme, so I'm going to apply this one, and boom, there we go. Completely different look. That is what I love about it. That is what I love about it. So the phone itself with the Super AMOLED display is awesome. It's 6.2 inches. It's HDR10 compliant, which means you can play HDR10 footage. So I'm going to go ahead and go to YouTube real quick. And I'm going to turn on a video on YouTube. If I can find my YouTube app. Where is it at? Here we go. I'm going to play an HDR video. And I'll go ahead and turn down the sound, because this phone is certified for HDR10 and it should look awesome just like any other HDR10 screen. Oh man, look at this. This is crazy. Look at that. 1080p HDR10. That is just ridiculously nice, man. Phones are getting so good now. It's almost impossible to sleep on these phones, man. Do you see how beautiful this is? This is crazy. I don't know how well the Mi Mix 3 is making this look over the video footage, but it is absolutely awesome, man, in person. Like, for real, for real. Whew, man. And I could crank the brightness up, too. If I crank that brightness up, look at this. Look at that. The Mi Mix 3 might not render as well, but oh, man, that's crazy. So, with it being an HDR10 compliant, you got to ask yourself, like, wow, there are some limitations to buying a phone from overseas. This one right here, though, I think gets a lot of love from a lot of YouTubers and people who have it all over. Now, running Pi, no, it's not running Pi. It is running Android Oreo, though, so that's a huge plus. It's running a stable ROM of 10 now, so I got that update a little while back, but I'm not going to make this a long drawn out video. The point of this video is to let you know that I have been using this phone, and while I haven't been using it in my main SIM card, I just recently switched my main SIM card to the Mi Mix 3 because I'm working on something with that, and I have another video that I'm going to be working on. So I just wanted to give a quick update on this phone to let you guys know wow factor is still there. It's still a fingerprint magnet. And yeah, man, I'm thinking about, I don't normally do the rooting and stuff like that. I normally just put, because I got a launcher that I like to use, which is Pix launcher. But you know, Max Lee, he's got a video out where you can actually turn this phone into basically a Pixel, you know, complete ROM setup. So I might do that. I don't know yet. I'll ship it to him and have him do it for me and then ship it back. Or I'll see him at CES, tell him bring his stuff to hook me up. Anyway, man, this is a quick, brief video. The phone is good, man. I don't have any complaints about it. Even though it doesn't have a headphone jack or whatever and everybody's taking that away, I'm not sweating that, man. It's a good phone. And for the price of $350, did you see the screen? It's crazy, man. It's your man Jay, real brief to the point. I like this phone still. I'm going to put it back into rotation after I get done reviewing a couple more phones. I'm reviewing a few phones at the same time, so I'll get it back into rotation regularly because this was my daily driver for like a week straight. And then I had to maybe about 7 and 8 days straight. It was in like the second SIM slot, but I moved it over because I got some other phones coming and I had to move those up. Anyway, it's your man Jay. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.